Hello, this is Mari Manadong and welcome in this video, okay? Gusto kong share sa iyo, okay? First thing first, I am Mari Manadong, okay? And I am an online affiliate entrepreneur, an author, okay? Employee and internet explorer. So, and this picture is taken from a beach na pinuntahan ko. And I love this picture kasi medyo guwapo ko dito. Okay, so why I'm doing this? Because I want to share my idea na pwede makatulong sa iyo if you are an online entrepreneur. Okay, meron kang business, kung nasa network marketing business ka man or sa nasa multi-level marketing business or kahit meron kang products na binibenta online. Okay, so our topic today is how to sell a product by not being a pushy salesman, okay? And recruit or sponsor a prospect into online business. Yung pag-usapan natin ay hindi pagiging pushy salesman, okay? Yung sabihin mo, join na, okay? Yung sumali ka na sa amin or this is a good company and you will earn a lot of money, okay? Gusto kong pag-usapan natin nang sa ganun maging aware ka. Paano ba magbenta ng isang produkto na hindi ka nang namimilit, okay? At paano ma-recruit o ma-sponsor ng isang prospect para makapagsimula ng kanilang business, okay? So here are tips on how to sell a product, okay? And recruit or sponsor people in your business opportunity, okay? First thing is find someone who attract the right people, okay? Or attract the right people. The right person is someone who wants what you're offering. This is very important, okay? Because there's a lot of people who are doing online business, okay, that they do not have an idea, okay? Bibenta lang sila, nagbibenta, nagpo-post lang sa online, nagpo-post kung saan-saan, and they do not know how to attract the right people, okay? Na kailangan alamin mo kung sino ba talaga ang karapat-dapat sa ino-offer mo business opportunity or sa product sa binibenta mo. Example of this is a woman, okay, who wants to lose weight, okay, to look good for her bikini. Kailangan kung nasa weight loss company ka man, na kailangan alamin mo kung sino mga babae na gusto magpabawas ng timbang, okay, or mga tao na or lalaki na gusto magbawas ng timbang, okay. Second one is know how to connect, okay, and speak with the right people, okay. Kailangan alamin mo kung paano ipag-connect sa kanila, okay. This means that you will need to know what to say to get interested in what you're offering. So here is an example, okay. Example, hi John, how are you? Okay, this is a question. How are you? Magiging open ka ba sa isang business opportunity na pwede makadagdag ng kinikita mo ngayon na hindi makasagabal sa ginagawa mo? Okay? So in this case, this very powerful question ay pwede makapakuha ng isang ng interest ng isang prospect or kay John dahil tinatanong mo siya kung magiging open ba siya sa isang business opportunity na hindi makasagabal sa ginagawa niya at makakadagdag ng kanyang kinikita. Okay? So the third tip is know how to overcome objections. Okay? This is a common hindrances in doing a network marketing business dahil dito marami talagang magbabato ng objections or questions sa business mo, lalong-lalo na kahit na interesado na siya dahil gusto niya makasigurado na hindi siya ma-scam or maluloko, okay? So here is a question na example ko sa iyo, isang objections, magkano ba ang kinita mo dyan, okay? Or magkano ba ang kinikita mo dyan, okay? Ito ang pwede mong isabihin sa kanya. Okay, magkano ba ang gusto mong madinig para maging interesado kang tingnan ang business opportunity na to? Okay, kung sa nasa chat box ka man, pwede kang maglagay, okay? Maglagay ng smiley, okay? Or else kung face to face mo, kung nasa offline business ka man, ay you have to smile a little bit, okay? Nang sa ganoon, hindi ka maging maangas tingnan ng prospect na kinakausap mo, okay? So prospect, sasabihin ng isang prospect na magsasabi siya ng isang amount kahit magkano yan, huwag kang mag-alala, kahit magkano pang sabihin niya amount, mayroon akong ituturo sa iyo. Okay? Sabihin natin 30,000 naman. Okay? So, if kinita mo na ang figure na to sa business mo, okay? If kinita mo na yon, tell the prospect, parang ganitong sasabihin mo. Okay? Great. Yan na ang kinikita or kinita ko dito. Okay? And then, follow a question. Gusto mo bang ituro ko sa iyo kung ano ang ginagawa ko or kung ano ang ginawa ko para kitain yung income or ganong income. Okay? So, kinakailangan mayroong follow-up question. Kung hindi mo pa rin kinikita ang ganong income o figure ng income, pwede itong sabihin mo. If nagsisimula ka pa lang okay, sa business mo at hindi mo pa na-reach okay, ang ganong income, ito ang pwede mong sabihin. Okay? Ikaw, well, basically, kasi simula ko pa lang sa business ko. Hindi ko pa na-reach ang ganong level of income sa business ko ngayon. Pero let me tell you about my upline, friend, or sponsor sa company mo na kumikita na ng ganong income, okay? Sa company mo, okay? Then follow up also question. Gusto mong malaman kung ano yung ginawa niya, okay? Kaya niya kinita ang ganong level of income. So this is very powerful question na pwede mong gamitin kapag meron kang kinakausap na prospect. And also at this time kapag sinabi sa'yo ng prospect, okay, make a story how did your friend or your sponsor, your upline reach that kind of income, okay? Make sure also na alam mo kung paano niya na-reach ang ganong income. And also be honest to your prospect because you are helping him to start a business because he or she has problems regarding money. Okay? Next one you. Okay? Ito pwede mong itanong sa kanya. Kung willing ang aralin ang ginawa niya, posible din. Okay? Posible din na kitain mo ang ganong income na kinita niya. Okay? Willing ka bang matutunan at gawin okay ang ginawa niya? So in this case, kapag sabihin sa iyo ng prospect na oo, so this is the time that you have to sponsor him. Okay? Good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Halimbawa dyan, okay, good dyan. Ito ang unang gawin mo o gagawin mo para makapagsimula ka sa business na to. Okay? Sponsor him and assist him paano makapag-start, paano mag-invest, paano ma-activate ang account, anong products na nakukuha niya, at paano sisimulan ang business na ino-offer mo. Right? So in this case, pwede mo ma-close ang isang prospect. Okay? So let us jump to the ano ba ang what you should not do in selling your products or recruiting, sponsoring people into your business. Okay? And the first thing is do not sell your primary products. Ito ang pwede mong gawin. Do not sell your primary products, your business opportunity. The people who have business like you. Okay? Kung magpo-post ka lang ng magpo-post sa timeline mo, kung nasa Facebook ka man, ay hindi mo maalala mo kung sino ang mga tao na right people sa business mo. Malamang ang nakakakita ng ino-offer mo ay ganun din ang ginagawa sa iyo. Ganun din ginagawa nila at ganun din company. Okay? Malamang ganun din kayo na yun napupost kayo at kayo na lang ang nakakita ng mga ino-offer niyo. Okay? If you are in a network marketing business, do not sell your opportunity to the people who are in the other company. Okay? Kung nasa ibang kumpanya sila, unless, if you are selling a product na makakatulong sa kanila, pwede mo silang bentahan. Makakatulong sa kanilang business, pwede mo silang bentahan. Okay? Kung pare-parehas kayo ng products, do not sell to them because you are also doing the same way. Nagbebenta din sila ng products katulad mo at nagre-recruit din sila ng mga tao na para makapag-start ng kanilang business. Do not sell it to them, okay? And do not sell or introduce your business opportunity to those who do not have an idea about network marketing business. Okay? Advice ko lang, huwag kang magbebenta sa mga tao ganito dahil okay, 97% ito ang mistakes ng 97% network marketers. They introduce to the people who do not have an idea about the business. Dahil ang tendency dito, if you introduce to them and sponsor mo sila sa business mo, 90% they will quit if they do not have an income in the first 3 months and your business will not grow. Sabihin pa sa'yo na linoko mo sila at linoko sila ng company. Okay? So do not sell to them, do not introduce your business to them. Okay? So, ngayon pag-usapan natin, who is the best prospect? Sino ba talaga ang best prospect sa ino-offer mong business? Okay? 85% of the people who join in your business right now, pag nasa network marketing business ka, ay ang mga tao na nag-fail sa kanilang past company. Okay? 85%. Why? Because they are the people who see the beauty of this industry and how the business model work and will change their life in a short period of time. Okay? Silang nakakita na ng potential paano magbabago ang kanilang future in this kind of business model. Okay? 75% of the people who join in network marketing business, the people who has a business in the present. Ang halimbawa ko dito ay traditional business. Kung mayroong isang business ang isang tao, halimbawa ay mayroong siyang hardware, pwede kang mag-ano sa kanya. Kung nasa offline man siya, pwede kang mag-introduce sa kanya. Okay? All you have to do is to explain very well how much is the money they will earn if they will be starting the business you are offering. Kailangan ma-explain mo ng mas mabuti sa kanila paano ang kitaan, ano ang products, at legal ba ang ino-offer mo. Okay? 50% who will join your business is married. Okay? 50% married because they want an extra income, and the people who hate in their job because they want to escape in the race of being an employee, or they want to escape sa isang masungit na boss. Gusto nilang ma-escape sa overtime, gusto nila na mag-escape doon. And 25% who are struggling with financial status will join, and people who do not have a work. Okay, yung mga taong walang pera, ganun sila ang mga pwedeng sumali sa business core, but the percent is very small. Okay? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. This is Mario Manadong, and also, if you are in a network marketing business, mayroong ang business ngayon at hindi ka pa rin kumikita at gusto mong mag-grow ang business mo and bring your business to the next level, okay, add or message me in the Facebook. Message me in the Facebook at tutulungan kita paano ba mag-grow ang business mo, at kung gusto mong sumali sa team ko, at nang sa ganun magkaroon ka ng resulta sa business na ginagawa mo. Okay? Ang nakikita mong link na ito ang Facebook ko. Okay? And you can visit also my website for free, and www.marimanadong.com and /blog. And I have a free ebook na pwede makatulong sa business na ginagawa mo ngayon. Ang nakikita mong link na ito ay www.marimanadong.com /ebook for free / just click this link or put into your browser at ma-download mo agad ang free ebook ko na ginawa ko para sa iyo. And I am also creating a training na pwede makatulong din sa business mo. So www.marimanadong.com and auto rejections. Okay? So I have my contact number here, ginagay ko nang sa ganun makontak mo kung kinakailangan mo akong tawagan. Okay? Nang sa ganun matulungan kita. And my smart 0949-966-9647, and my TM is 0935-622-3779. Okay, this is my number. And kung gusto mo na mag-grow ang business mo, gusto mo ng long-term na business, this is your chance to grow your business online. Okay? Once again, bye-bye. This is Mario Manadong, and if you want, okay, gusto ko magbigay sa iyo ng idea, okay? Sabi pa nga ni Eric Worre, we have a better way, okay? It is a stone cold fact, okay? Fact that we have a better way, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And kung hindi mo man nasundan ang mga sinabi ko, pwede mong ulit-ulitin ang video na to, at nang sa ganun ma-internalize mo at mas matutunan mong maigi ang mga sinabi ko dito. Okay? God bless you guys, and have an awesome day. See you in my next video training.